Number 4 asks us to simplify this expression. To simplify this expression, we have to follow the rule of PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, and then addition. Right? So we take a look at this. This is the equation itself. Right? And the first thing that we can do is the parentheses. Okay, there's no parentheses, so we move to exponents. We have the 8 squared. Please understand that 8 squared is really 8 times 8. What is 8 times 8? That is 64. Once we have that, we can go to the next step. Okay, we can see what is 64 divided by 16. Okay, notice that 8 can go into 16 can go into 64 4 times. So this simplifies into just 4 over 1. But you never write the divided by 1. So it just simplifies into this. It becomes -5 plus 4. Together, this becomes -1. That would be its most simple form. Next, we have 3 divided by 1/4. It looks like this. 3 divided by 1/4. We never divide a fraction, so we do something called KFC. You're going to keep, flip, change. Okay? So the 3 is what you keep. You flip the 4 over 1 becomes 4 over 1. So the 1 over 4 flips to 4 over 1. Then you change this symbol from a divide into a multiply. Okay, the 3 becomes 3 over 1, and now we can just multiply. Don't forget to bring down the plus 5. 3 times 4 becomes 12. 1 times 1 is just 1. Okay, we don't ever write the divide by 1. We can just see 3 times 4 as just 12. Bring down the plus 5. This becomes 12 plus 5. It is 17. Next, we have 12 plus 3 times 9 minus 9. There's no parentheses. There's no exponent. So we have to do the multiplication first. The first thing, it is the 9 times 3, which is 27. Bring down the 12. Bring down the minus 9. Now we can combine. 12 plus 27 becomes 39. Bring down the minus 9. 39 minus 9 becomes 30. There you go. That is how you simplify using PEMDAS.